May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2. It's a my learned friend P.D. Nair is the conducting counsel. He is serious medical problem. So matter may be.
Serious medical problem. What has happened to him?
No, my lord, I had a word with brother PD. His spouse is having some serious medical issues in Chennai.
Yes.
Okay, okay. We'll accommodate. When do you want?
He requested for 5th of May.
5th of May.
5th
Yes.
of May.
A request for adjournment. We grant, huh?
Yes.
A request for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri P.D. Nair, learned counsel for the appellant on medical grounds. Also heard Sri T.T. Tara. Also heard Sri, who is for the government? So learned government counsel. CGC, anyone? CGC? CGC, madam?
CGC, anyone?
You are on behalf of Mr. Kato. You are a CGC? Kilo, huh? Please write the name, sir. As well as Sri T.T. Tara, learned counsel for the private respondent. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 5th of May. Matter is accordingly adjourned and as requested, list on 5th of May.
May.
Okay.
Well, but also I seek kind indulgence to item 4. Item 4.
4 years.
Learned AG is indisposed today. So I have his consent for listing after the Puja holidays.
Okay. Sri T.T. Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner, has informed that
will not be possible.
the state would be represented by the learned advocate general who has some personal difficulties today.
Correct.
Tara, matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed.
Your Lordship, may it be listed on 4th of May, Your Lordship.
Listed on 4/5.
Fine. Great.
And Your
My
Lordship,
Lordship, Lordship, I would like to mention item number 5 and 6, Lordship. Lordship, this matters to appear by the Ashish Das Gupta, senior advocate, Lordship. Today, Lordship, have some
On behalf of the respondent.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent, Lordship.
Okay. Your state's appeal.
Engage
Appeal is
new
by the
counsel,
state.
Lordship.
Okay.
yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, this matter may be listed on 2nd, Lordship, 2nd April, Lordship.
On a request
Day after tomorrow.
made on behalf of the respondent. Let matter is adjourned to be listed on
2nd, Lordship, 2nd April.
2/4.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Riram, you will be appearing for the state.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Sri Y. Riram, learned state counsel is present for the appellant.
Your Lordship, interim may be continued, Your Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. This will be in 5 and 6.
5 and 6, Lordship.
5 and 6. Matters, huh?
Much over.
And Your Lordship, item number 12, Your Lordship.
12 years.
Yes, this will be, learned AG will be appearing in this case.
Lord, in item
So,
12 and 13, I am appearing for petitioners, my Lord. I am
Okay.
Naveen Kumar, I am appearing for petitioners, my Lord, in item 12 and 13.
Okay.
In 12 pleadings are complete, 13 center has to file counter, my Lord. State has filed. I'll file my rejoinder, my Lord. My Lord may.
No, 13 is the center
Center
filing
has
the
not
counter,
filed.
or are you basing? They may rely upon the counter filed in 12. Who's for this center?
Mr.
Is it
Kato,
it?
Your Lordship.
Madam? Mr. Kato? These two matters,
My Lord, which one?
12 and 13, these are listed for hearing,
My lord.
hearing column.
Yes, my Lord.
Council says that in item number 13, pleadings are yet to be exchanged. Is it, or are you relying upon the counter
Yes,
filed
my
in
Lord.
12?
My Lord, the affidavit filed in the item number 12 will be relied, my Lord.
Okay,
This will cover, my Lord.
okay. You're also the counsel in item number 12.
Yes, my Lord.
Then that same affidavit will cover, he said. Okay.
Yes, my Lord.
When
That-
do you want?
4th of May, Your Lordship.
4th of May, they're praying for 4th of May. Is it okay, Mr. Kumar?
Yes, my Lord. I have no objection, my Lord.
Well,
A request for adjournment has been made on behalf of the learned AG, Arunachal Pradesh. Also heard Sri N. Kumar
Naveen
For
Kumar,
the-
my Lord. Naveen,
Naveen
N-A-V-E-E.
N. Kumar and Naveen Kumar, learned counsel appearing online for the petitioners. Para? As on request list on 4-5.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged. Deeply.
May I, Your Lordship? Your
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 with the,
10, yes.
with the concern of the other parties, Your Lordship. This matter may be fixed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
You are the amicus.
I'm Yes, I'm
Why are you seeking time? 23 matter amicus is there.
Your Lordship, I'm for the respondent, and then this matter has been appearing by Mr. K. Tama, and he has some personal difficulties.
Oh, these are criminal appeals. We
Yes,
should
sir.
give preference to these matters.
Therefore, Your Lordship, after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Not 2 weeks. We'll accommodate you, but not 2 weeks. Tell us the date.
After 10th of April.
Next Monday.
After 10th, Your Lordship, because since.
After 10th.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then after 10th it's holidays. Why don't you try on next on 6th or 7th? 6th or 7th? 7th?
Your Lordship, Mr. K. Tama would be not available till 10th. So,
Okay. On a request made on behalf of Sri K. Tama, learned counsel for respondent number 2, the appeal is adjourned to be listed on 21st of April.
highly obliged.
Ms. Darang, the learned amicus curiae, and you are the PP.
Yes, madam.
And Sister also learned PP. Arunachal Pradesh are present.
Obliged.
Okay.
May I, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship.
Yes.
Appearing on behalf of PD Naya, Lordship.
Item number 3. 3 has been, I think, adjourned.
No, 3 has not been
3 has
adjourned.
not been adjourned. 2 has been adjourned. Okay, 3.
The matter may be, Lordship, fixed after 4 weeks.
Okay. Other side, Mr. Picha? Okay. On a request made on behalf of Sri P.D. Nair, learned counsel for the appellant. Matter is adjourned to be listed on 5th of May. 5-5.
Obliged.
Other matter is on 5-5, let it be on 5-5, okay?
May I, Your Honor? I beg to mention item number 14.
Item number
14.
1-4.
Yes, sir.
What is
The
it?
leading counsel is currently out of station. So this matter may be fixed on
Who is the leading counsel?
8th attack.
Item number 14.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Patil is not appearing in this matter. Mr. Patil's name is also there. He is the senior counsel leading counsel.
No, Lordship, here, I think he is given NOC, Lordship.
Okay, okay. A request has been made on behalf of Sri A. Tatak Learned Counsel for the appellant. I also heard Sri so-and-so Learned APP Assam, APP Arunachal Pradesh Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on. Tell us the date of your convenience.
20 of April.
20th of April.
Yes.
Okay. 11/21st. 21. 21/4.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 7.
Yes.
Here, last occasion, I have been directed to take a step upon.
Please for orders, we'll have to check the file. Okay, you be here.
May I please, Lordship? May I mention item number 11, Lordship?
Yes.
In this matter, Lordship, Lakshmi is appearing and she is out of the station. Lordship, may I afraid that this
Who is
may be
appearing?
Lakshmi Hage, Lordship.
Okay.
This matter may take up day after tomorrow, Lordship.
There's a legal aid counsel.
Yes, Lordship, I'm.
You're appearing as
Yes.
legal aid counsel. So when do you want?
Day after tomorrow,
Day
Lordship.
after tomorrow, is it okay?
Yeah.
Day after tomorrow is possible? Thursday, okay. On a request made on behalf of Ms. L. Hage, Learned APP, Arunachal Pradesh, matter is adjourned to be listed on Thursday next. Second, Sri U. Buri, Learned Legal Aid Counsel is present for the appellant.
Obliged.
Item number 1.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is a criminal appeal pertaining to the Khonsa PSA case number 16 of 2023, Your Honor. Your Honor, in this case, the Lana Sessions Court has convicted the accused appellant on the various sections of a law. That is under section 302, 364, 367, 450, 451, 326 of the Indian Penal Code.
What is your name?
Yes, Lordship.
Madam, your name?
Dioka.
Heard Ms. D. Yoka, learned counsel for the appellant who has. Madam, come to your memo of appeal.
Yes, Lordship.
First page.
Yes.
What is this? This is an appeal, not an application. To take help of your seniors, there are hundreds of files. You should check how our drafting is done.
Yes, Lordship.
There's a difference. What is the difference between an appeal and an application? Do you know?
Yes.
What is it?
Appeal is something which is being challenged before the higher court in regard to the order that has been challenged from the inferior court.
Appeal is a continuation of a proceeding.
Yes.
An application is something new where you have a separate prayer. This is not an application. You see the nomenclature. If you have read written 415 of the BNSS, see what is 415. You have the BNSS.
415.
Please use the correct expression.
Yes, yes.
Please use the correct expression.
Appeal,
Doesn't look
appeal
good. This is a higher superior court. Expression should be correct. Presentation should be correct.
It has to
And there is no requirement to address the Honorable Chief Justice in an appeal. These are all proceeding which has been continued. Okay, no requirement of addressing.
Yes.
You address only when it's an application.
Yes.
Okay, who has
Application.
preferred this appeal under so-and-so against so-and-so, huh? By this so-and-so, admit, call for the records.
Appeal, application.
Mr. Ate will be for whom?
One, my lord.
T. Ate for your APP?
Yes, my lord.
APP for one. And this is under what sections of law, madam?
Yes, Lordship.
What sections of law?
My lord, 302.
302.
Okay. Why have you made 2 and 3 parties?
Because they are the complainant in this case. There were 2 FIR in this case.
Not required, actually. Only in certain cases you need to make the complainant or informant a party, namely POXO cases, some 370 A, B, or BA.
But
These are notifications.
yes, my lord. But my lord, so far as the general law is concerned, my lord, the participation concerning the participating right of the victim, my lord. What my humble understanding is, my lord, the notice may go to the my lord.
Notice will do, but there is no mandatory requirement.
Yeah, implement is not mandatory, my lord, but notice, my
If they
lord.
want to participate, they can be implemented.
Yes, my lord.
But it's for you. It's the state's responsibility.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Steps for service upon respond numbers 2 and 3 in the manner prescribed. Steps within 2 days. List on today's 31st. List on 4th of May, along with a report on the receipt of records,
Yes, ma'am.
as well as service report on upon the respond numbers 2 and 3.
Yes, madam. Oblige, madam.
You have any application for suspension? No.
No.
Item number 7.
Hmm. 7. Orders, yes. Where is it? Some mention was made. Yes. Till date, no fresh steps have been taken for service of notice upon the respond numbers 7 and 8. Why?
Lordship, here, we could not contact the client, our client.
So
Therefore,
are you willing to continue, or are you?
I'm praying for some more day so that we can.
We'll give some time. Huh?
Okay.
Peruse the office note dated 30/3/2026, as per which fresh steps for service of notice upon the respond numbers 7 and 8 have not been taken. Para. Your name?
Arkuyu.
Sri R. Koyu, learned counsel for the appellants. Praise for, and is granted granted further time of 2 weeks to take fresh steps upon fresh steps for service of notice upon the respond numbers 7 and 8. Para. List after 6 weeks along with service report.
Item number 8.
You are students on the behind. Why don't you take a seat? There are seats vacant. Don't stand. Sit. Doesn't look good. There are seats vacant. Item number?
This should be without me.
Item number.
Evidence.
Okay.
May my lord, I've
This will
received.
be before any other bench. My brother has a difficulty.
Oh, yes.
Please before any other bench. Without one of us, huh? Bracket.
Item number 9.
My lord, before my friends starts, my lord, last time Honorable Lordship has directed us to file affidavit, my lord. My lord, the affidavit is ready, my lord. We just need one more day, my lord, to file the affidavit, my lord. It's a bulky, my lord, annexures. Because, my lord, that
We'll have it day after tomorrow. Let him file.
Friday, my lord.
Friday is a holiday.
Oh, I'm sorry, my lord, Friday is only
But
there.
it's a good Friday.
Good Friday, your lordship. Thursday, my lord.
This is a lordship.
Jail appeal, I can understand that.
This is not a jail.
Sorry, detention.
Illegal detention.
Day after tomorrow.
That is his person, my lord. All right. Day after tomorrow, my lord.
Okay.
All right. Obliged, my lord.
Item number?
Item number 9, my lord. 9.
Nine. Heard Sri T. Tapak Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para.
तुम क्या करना है?
Sri R.H. Nabam Learned EEG has however prayed for further time. I however submitted that the affidavit which was required to be filed is ready
My lord.
and would be filed shortly.
Well,
Full stop. In that view of the matter is adjourned to be listed on
Thursday.
Thursday. Full stop. The affidavit which may be filed in the meantime be tagged with the records.
My lord.
I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 4, madam.
Sri M. Kato, Learned, you appear as what?
DSM.
Deputy SGI is present for the respondent number 4. You,
356.
Sri, your 3, 5 cents, Sri so-and-so, Learned State Council for 3, 5, and 6.
Obliged.
Oh, reviewer. Okay, in 5 minutes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
Yes.
Matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Hearing matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Of which year? 21. Where is seeking time for 21 matter after 5 years?
Lordship, leading counsel L permit due to some personal problem
When can you have?
next week, Lordship.
Next week,
Yeah.
next Monday. Okay. A request for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri L. Parme Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri Y. Riram Learned
Your Lordship, next Monday, I'll be having some difficulties, Monday and Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Start 2 weeks.
Next Tuesday.
Immediately after the break, Your Lordship, I'm
Okay. Also heard Sri Y. Riram Learned State Council Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 21st of April. 21 for hearing.
Lordship, and I beg to mention item number 19.
19, yes.
Yes, I'm on behalf of L permit for standing council, Agriculture Department. Matter may be taken after break, Lordship.
Okay. You have informed the other side?
Yes, Lordship. I have informed the other side.
On a request made on behalf of Sri L. Parme Learned Standing Council Agriculture Department, matter is adjourned to be listed on 21/4 for hearing.
Your Lordship, item number 18 may be fixed on 23rd, Your Lordship.
First on 23rd.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then both the matters on 23rd. Okay.
Obliged.
Even this same 23rd. 23/4.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 16.
16, yes.
Matter may be discussed on
6th April.
Yes, sir.
Next Monday.
Yes, Your Honor.
On behalf of
Item number 16 on behalf
petitioner.
petitioner.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the petitioners, matter is adjourned to be listed on 6/4. Sri Y. Riram Learned State Council is present. Yes, Mr. Kato?
My lord, may I apply this, my lord, for recommendation, my lord, in hearing matter, my lord, item number 20, my lord. In fact, I conveyed to the counsel for the other party yesterday night, my lord.
When do you want?
My lord, since Mr. Dar is coming from Guwahati,
He can join online.
Yes, my lord.
There's no requirement to be physically present. He can join online.
Today,
These are arbitration appointment matters. Arbitration appeal.
yes, ma'am.
Appeal against 34.
Yes, madam.
Okay, it'll require some hearing. Yes,
Yes.
when do you want?
Madam, after 2 weeks, madam.
Okay, we fix a date.
Yes, ma'am.
A request has been made for adjournment by Sri M. Kato Lanet, Deputy SGI. Full stop. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed on 23rd of April.
Fine.
23/4.
Item number 1.
Item 1. Motion. Mr. Soki. Where is Mr. Soki? D. Soki, M. Karbak, T. Nima.
None of them are, madam, seem to be present today, madam.
Item 1. Item number 1.
Madam, madam, adjourn for time being. madam.
Mr. Soki, here your item.
Item number 1.
Yes.
I'm sorry, madam. My lord, this was in fact listed last week, my lord. And but on that day, the counsel for the GST did not appear, man. So this has been listed today again. Otherwise, this is a similar case where the lordship has already passed some orders in the principal.
What is it? What is the subject matter?
My lord, here it's regarding the cancellation of the GST registration.
Yes, Mr. Kato.
Madam, notice may be issued at this system, madam. There is a separate counsel for the madam CGST, Mr. Tanya Kipa, madam. I put the respondent number 1 only, madam.
Can you get him tomorrow? We can have it tomorrow.
My lord, let it be passed over for some time and I will.
Okay, we try to get him. If he agrees,
Madam.
then we can dispose it of today itself, or if he is there, we can give him some time to have this matter day after tomorrow or Monday. We can dispose this of. Okay. Plus, try to get him. Okay, after a while.
Item number 2.
What is that? Yeah. Call him. Attack. Five.
Item 2.
It's your case. Your game.
Madam Dangan,
It's fine. Lordship,
you need to be told by your friend that it is your case.
It was, I thought it wasn't item number 5.
Your thinking will not do. Yes, what is it about? Admission matter of 2024, why?
Lordship.
We
Lordship,
finished
the
it
matter
off.
was about the disbursement of the land compensation.
Okay.
Herein the authority has, without issuing any of the notice to the PFS, they have gone with the agreement to with the beneficiaries without awarding any of the notice. And award has not been yet, man.
Land has been acquired.
It has been acquired.
Thereafter,
And the award has not been made. And without making an award, they have gone through with the agreement with the project affected families. The Lordship. And they have denied the.
who are you? You are project affected.
Yes, project affected.
So there is an agreement with you.
Yes. Without making an award. They haven't published any of the award.
So it can be done by direct negotiations also. Has it been done by direct negotiations?
Lordship.
To do away with the regards of the act. You
Lordship,
can negotiate.
Lordship, they have denied the to award the land compensation, and in the agreement they have only about the value of the whatever property there is in the
Yes, what you say.
land.
If you go for direct negotiation, then it has to be an agreed price. Just
My
like
lord,
a sale. all the rigors of the Act of 2013?
Lordship.
My lord, it was occurred under 2013 Act, my lord. Preliminary notification, then final notification, my lord. My lord, notice was issued to all the parties, my lord. My lord, regarding claims and objection, time was given. My lord, perhaps they receive or not receive, we don't know, but they have not read any objection. That is the contents of the Deputy Commissioner. My lord, so far, my lord, this 2000 Act, my lord, compensation is concerned, my lord. My lord, I'll not dispute, my lord, they are entitled for the property, crops, building structure, and land values, my lord. Now, what my friend is trying to say, my lord, although my lord, Deputy Commissioner assists, my lord, the building structure, but they are denying the land value, my lord. Now, Deputy Commissioner in affidavit paragraph 456, my lord, he has not whispered anything. I'm sorry, my lord. Only says, my lord, on time they have not raised any claims and objection, my lord.
No, Mr. Nawam, you may be correct in contending that they have not filed their objection, but that will not mean that whatever is entitled to by them,
Correct, my
you
lord.
can deny it.
Correct, my lord. So may I
They may
just,
not be aggrieved by the quantum, that's a different matter.
may I just suggest, my lord, your lordship may dispose of this matter directing the Deputy Commissioner, re-verify, my lord, the areas, my lord, whether it falls under the, my lord, acquisition part or not, my lord. If comes under the, my lord, as per the acquisition, my lord, then, my lord, there may be, my lord, reassess may be done, my lord, and about me pass as per the 2013 Act, my lord. Provided, my lord, the area falls under that, my lord, notified area, my lord. If the lordship see the notification is somewhere in 2000.
Earlier, Lordship, earlier they were even not included in the list. By filing our claim and objection, they have, with the direction of this court, they have included us in the award, in the list of the project affected families.
In the list, your names are not there.
Earlier, it was not there.
Now?
Through this writ petition, I have been indexed.
After this repetition,
Yes.
you have been inducted,
Lordship.
but you have not been given the appropriate compensation.
Not even a single inch of my land acquisition has been done yet.
Land value has not been given, my lord. What he is trying to say, my lord. Although my property we have asset, but we have denied the land value, my lord.
Okay.
That is the
They have completely denied the
That
land.
is the appropriate compensation has not been given, only the property part.
property parts. my
Land
lord.
value you
That's
have not been given.
No,
my
Lordship.
lord.
What is your name?
Tita Lordship.
Heard Sri T. Tata, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri R. H. Ram.
R.H. Navam, my lord.
And R. H. Navam, Learned AAG, Arunachal Pradesh. First of considering the subject matter involved, readings having been completed, and as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties, the instant writ petition, which is pending since the year 2024, is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Please have your seat.
My lord.
As per the, if there is any clarification, I'll.
Your lordship may done only, my lord, humble request, my lord. Your lordship may well disposing matter. Kindly, my lord, refer to paragraph 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is the stand of the Deputy Commissioner, my lord. That may be reflected, my lord. Paragraph 4 to 7, my lord.
As per the facts projected, the petitioners are residents of Gandhigram village in the Vijayanagar area of Changlang districts and claim to be the owners of land which they had inherited from their ancestors. Full stop. A notification was published by the government of Arunachal Pradesh on 7/2/2024 under section 11 within bracket 1 read with section 40 within bracket 1 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013 bracket hereinafter act of 2013 for acquisition of land of 418.29 hectares at Kharasang Miao Vijayanagar area for construction of, please take it from here, construction of
Kharasang - Miao - Vijayanagar Frontier Highway bracket 0.000 km to 156.095 km. Full stop. It is contended that the lands of the petitioners are situated in the chain is 128.00 km to 156 km of the aforesaid highway and would be affected by the construction of the same. Full stop. While it is further contended that while the petitioners were waiting for the land to be surveyed so as to give them an opportunity to raise their claims, on 8/7/2024, a draft list of affected landowners was published, which, however, did not contain the names of the petitioners. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that they being affected by the land acquisition proceeding, denial of their entitlement of compensation and other benefits under the Act is wholly unreasonable, arbitrary, and illegal. And accordingly, the writ petition was instituted. Full stop. Para. 3. So learned counsel for the petitioners has informed this court at the outset that after institution of the present writ petition, the names of the petitioners have been inducted in the list of affected persons. Full stop. However, no compensation for the land acquired has been made, and only a meager amount for the properties situated over the said land has been paid. Full stop. He has submitted that the Act of 2013 envisages that fair compensation along with other benefits are to be paid so as to paid, which has not been done. Para 3. Nabam, the learned age, has fairly submitted that though an affidavit in opposition has been filed by the Deputy Commissioner on 5/11/2024, the contentious aspect of not receiving compensation for the land acquired has not been replied to. Full stop. In this connection, he has drawn the attention of this court to the averments made in paragraphs 4, 5, 6, and 7 of the said affidavit. Para. He has submitted that if the land of the petitioners have actually been acquired, he would not oppose to the claim to get a fair compensation. Full stop. He has, however, raised the apprehension that a verification exercise is required to be done as to whether the land has actually been acquired. Para. The rival contentions have been duly considered. Para. As noted above, the present claim is with regard to the compensation for the land acquired. Full stop. In the affidavit in opposition filed by the concerned Deputy Commissioner (Respond number 3) on 5/11/2024, the averments made with regard to the aforesaid claim are required to be taken into consideration. Full stop. The relevant averments made as made in paragraphs 4-7 as mentioned above, read as follows. Kindly 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh? Our reading of the same does not disclose that the compensation for the land acquired has been assessed or paid to the petitioners. Full stop. And 2013 Act.
Right.
Land Acquisition Act.
Right.
You put the relevant acts here. Huh? Sure. The Act of 2013 is a comprehensive act which has been enacted by taking into consideration the changes in development after changes in development which has occurred after occurred since the earlier act of 18. What was it? 1894. What was the earlier act? 1894. Yes. 1894. Full stop. The aspect that the names of the petitioners have been inducted in the list of affected persons would prima facie show that the lands of the petitioners have indeed been acquired for the project mentioned above. Full stop. The affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent 3 also does not disclose that there has been any denial to the aforesaid aspect. Full stop. Considering the above and by balancing the equities, the matter is disposed of by directing the respondents, more particularly the respondent 3, to make a comprehensive inquiry into the aspect of the land of the petitioner which has been acquired, and after completion of the same, make payment of the appropriate compensation as mandated by the Act of 2013. Let the aforesaid exercise be undertaken and completed expeditiously and preferably within a period of 90 days. 90 days.
From the date of receipt.
90 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Deputy Obliged.
Petitions are disposed of.
Item number 3.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, conducting counsel, Mr. Tony Pertin is on a family bereavement. He's yet to reach Itanagar. So can it be posted in some other day?
Okay, tomorrow or day after?
My lord,
Next week.
next week, my lord.
Next week, next Monday?
Next month.
On a request made on behalf of Sri T. Partin, learned counsel for the petitioner who is said to have suffered a bereavement, matter is adjourned to be listed on 6th of April 2026. 3. R.H. Nabam, learned AAG, is present for the state.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 4.
Item 4.
Yeah.
Which for 4? Yes, you're
Yes.
for 4.
Yes.
What is your name?
D. Nime.
Mr. Nime, what is it about?
My lord, matter was fixed for a counter affidavit reply.
What is the matter?
Subject matter.
Matter seeking relief against the proposed and proceeding of DPC. My lord. My lord, DPC is procedurally governed by the OM dated 26/8.
You're
20.
against the holding of the DPC.
No. Yes, I'm against the holding of the DPC.
Why?
Because DPC must be convened after the amendment of the recruitment rule and after the publishing it into a gazetted notification. But without doing so, the DPC is being
conducted.
Rules were amended. When were the rules amended?
Not amended.
Rules have been amended.
The rule have not been amended yet.
So how will you wait for an infinite period? The rules have to be amended, then you do the DPC. It's supposed to remain vacant.
Yes, my lord, but the annexure number 2, page number 35, it indicates that the steps are being taken for convening the DPC without the rule being amendment yet.
No, is there any certainty when the rules will be amended?
No, the certainty is not yet.
If it's not certain, how do you keep a post vacant?
So
Your prayer has to be reasonable prayer that you amend the DPC, amend the rules, and till amendment of the rules, don't hold the DPC. Is it a reasonable prayer?
But my lord, the statute says that the DPC should be convened after the amendment of the recruitment rule.
No, the existing rules. What about the existing rules?
Existing rules also says that it should be convened after the amendment.
After which,
And
let us see. How is it possible?
Rules, let's see.
How will the existing rules say that there had been amendment proposal amendment, then after the amendment, the DPC will be held as per the existing rules. If the rules undergo a change, then new DPC will be held under the new rules.
my lord may come into
Page
page 51.
51, yes.
Page 51.
51.
Yes, my lord. Herein the commissioner of PHE and WS, the department also forwarded the undersecretary that this recruitment rule is defective and it should be amended at the earliest.
Now, if it is not amended, will
Yes.
the DPC kept on hold? Suppose, let us see, assume the worst case, it is not amended,
Yes.
and they are not even inclined to amend it. Can the DPC put to a hold?
My lord, the statute,
Yes, how soon are you amending the DPC? Amending the rules?
Rules, my lord,
Is there any proposal to amend the rules?
my lord, as per the records, it says, my lord, there is a proposal. However, my lord, if your lordship, say the page 39, the recruitment rules. But recruitment rules does not bar, my lord. My lord, till amendment is, my lord, notified.
Obviously,
My lord,
by the-
we cannot, my lord,
you'll go
proceed
by
with the
the
DPC,
existing
my lord.
rules. If there are change in the rules, you will go by the change rule,
Yes, my lord.
but there
But
cannot be a bar to hold the DPC.
absolutely, my lord.
It's not connected. It cannot be an indefinite exercise.
no, my lord,
Unless you amend the rules.
yes. My lord, but the indication is showing in the annexure 8.
That is a process, that is a file process, my lord.
And my lord,
Got that.
in annexure 1,
Annexure 1 page?
yes, page 29.
29.
29.
Yes, annexure 1, page 29. Para B4.
Para?
Para B4.
B.
Yes,
B4.
yes, para B4.
At page 31.
Page 31. Yes, my lord.
No, sir.
My lord, here also
It's all right,
says
no
that
is denying that.
No, it's not.
Right.
It's not. We are dismissing.
recruitment rule.
We are dismissing.
Well-
I heard Sri D. Nimi.
My lord, some next date may be given so that the additional
No, not
development
required. Not required.
process.
You don't have a case. We cannot solve a DPC. We'll direct them to expedite the process of
Amending
of
the rules, my lord.
But that will not, you cannot hold back the.
My lord, the rule is already being proposed because the defective
We cannot hold back, sorry.
defective
heard
recruitment rule has
Sri
already
Leonard
submitted.
Counsel for the petitioners also heard Sri R.H. Nabam, the learned AAG. And Madam, you for?
Respondent number 3 on behalf of the AAPAM, standing on the
Police Service Commission. my lord.
Okay, your name?
lawyer.
Please write, on behalf of AAPAM, Standing Council APPSC. Para. Considering the subject matter, comma, the instant writ petition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. Para. As per the facts project, please have your seat. As per the facts projected, comma. No, don't write, don't write as per. 19 numbers of petitioners have joined in this writ petition with the following. Please quote the prayer, page 23. As per the facts projected, the petitioners are members of the Public Health Engineering Water Supply Junior Engineers Forum, who has put to challenge the process of convening a DPC for promotion to the post of Assistant Engineer in the PHEWS department. Full stop. The primary contention of the petitioners is that the DPC process has been initiated in before the rules in question are amended. Full stop. It is also contended that there is violation of the office memorandum dated 26/8/2020, which mandates 2020. Para? 3. In image, the learned counsel for the petitioners has submitted that an amendment is proposed in the recruitment rules, and after such amendment, the petitioners would have a fair chance for their consideration for promotion, and therefore, without the amendment having been effected in the recruitment rules, the proposed DPC should not be gone ahead. Full stop. It is also submitted that as per the office memorandum dated 26/8/2020, there is a mandate that no supersession should be done for granting promotion. In this regard, the relevant provision of the office memorandum as found in clause B within bracket 4 is pressed into service, which reads as follows. Page 31. Para. 3. Naban, the learned AG, has however submitted that the present process of convening a DPC cannot be directly related to the process of amendment of the recruitment rules. Full stop. He has, however, fairly contended that he has submitted that the DPC would be conducted as per the existing recruitment rules. Full stop. He has also fairly submitted that if and when the rules are amended, further DPCs would be convened in accordance with the amended provisions of the rules. Full stop. The aforesaid submission of the learned AG is endorsed by Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the APPSC. Para. This court is of the considered opinion that while it may be a fact that there is a proposal to amend the recruitment rules, the same cannot be a basis to hold back the DPC, proposed DPC, hold back a DPC which is required to fill up vacant post in the vacant post. Full stop. Such filling up is in sync with the interest of public, as no posts are required to be filled up in accordance with law as per the requirement of the department and the government. Full stop. Para. This court is of the opinion that there cannot be a restraint not to hold the DPC till the recruitment rules are amended. Full stop. This writ petition is accordingly dismissed. Full stop. However, it is however observed that if and when the recruitment rules are amended, further DPC would be convened in accordance with the amended rules. Okay.
Supply.
Item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Tara.
Well, the short question involved in this writ petition is whether the tendering authority can reject the bid of the petitioner for non-production of a document that was not prescribed in the NIT lot. You have joined. Okay. I thought I would go for.
No, Lordship, actually, this is the first occasion I'm for the private respondent number 6. So we need some time to file our affidavit, Lordship.
You have not filed affidavit?
Yes, actually, pleading is not yet complete. Department has filed yesterday, Lordship.
Okay.
It should be in the order column, but the admission column. We need some time, Lordship.
Picture for whom?
Service is complete.
Yeah, for the department.
Yes.
And
And affidavit has been filed by the department.
Yes,
you have
yes.
filed the affidavit.
Yesterday only. Yesterday only.
Yesterday. Would you like to rejoin?
But this, my brother is appearing for the private respondent.
Private respondent
No, no,
number
that
6.
is, will you like to rejoin to picture the affidavit?
Well, we will have.
No, so because we'll pass a comprehensive order.
Yes, yes.
For exchange of further pleadings. In the meantime, private respondents may also file the affidavit of opposition,
Right.
which you may rejoin along with the state government
Fine,
departments.
Fine, fine. Madam.
Heard Sri T.T. Tara, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri B. Picha, Learned Tending Counsel for which department? Rural Development Department. Your name?
T. Bagang, Lordship.
Your name is not there. Okay.
Yes,
Sri
yeah.
T. Bagang, Learned Counsel has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the private respondents.
Number 6.
Number 6, and please for time to file affidavit in opposition. Para? Matter accordingly stands adjourned
7th May. Huh?
to be listed on. Yes, Mr. Tara.
Well, 7th of May for final disposal.
7th of May for admission hearing, by which time further pleadings are to be exchanged.
Duly obliged.
Interim order to be.
Is there an interim order? Interim order passed earlier to continue till date of listing.
Great for me.
Item number 6.
Item 6.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am appearing in person related to my case, and the case is termination of my service.
Okay.
My lord,
If you appear in person, you come at least formally dressed, not in a Hawaiian shirt like this. There's some decorum to be maintained in the court. We don't mind you
yes, sir.
appearing. You come in formal dress. What is the difficulty?
My lord, I thought that white shirt and black pant are
No,
formal.
not Hawaiian shirt. Have a full shirt at least.
Okay, okay.
We're not asking you to wear a tie or a coat. At least
Okay,
a full
madam.
shirt. Okay.
Yeah.
What is it?
My lord, I was appointed as an assistant manager in Arunachal Pradesh Rural Bank, and then my lord, simply merely on a so-called notice, they terminated me. Neither any departmental inquiry was done, nor any charges.
For the bank,
Yes, Lordship.
was there any inquiry?
Yes, inquiry was carried out.
Inquiry was held.
Yes.
Did he participate in the inquiry?
We have issued so-called notice to the petitioner,
Thereafter,
and he has admitted his guilt.
admitted his
Yes, he has admitted.
guilt. Or therefore, the requirement of further
Yes.
inquiry was not
And
required.
moreover, he was in probation period.
No, my lord.
He was on,
Have you filed your pleadings?
yes.
I can
Affidavit.
have this for admission hearing.
Yes.
When
My
did you
lord.
say?
Actually, my lord, in the past, this also I requested because my lord, I am appearing for some other exams. And my lord, if I would given be just 10 minutes, my lord, I could prove. Even they have labeled fraud of 93,000, and I claim that I have not done a single rupee fraud. My lord, what?
You can have it, no problem. Are you ready for admission hearing today? For
My lord, please, my lord, because my exams are coming and I have to give for interview, my lord.
No, we don't see on a individual basis. There are many other cases. We are still trying to have your case done. Are you ready for an admission hearing?
Yes, Your
Okay, we can argue.
No problem.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, first of all, they are saying that I have admitted and I have not admitted to
First
it.
tell us the facts.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Rai,
Yes, my lord.
please tell us the facts.
My lord,
Who
if
are
you,
what is the case about?
firstly, they gave me the so-called notice.
No, when did you join the service? Give us the fact, background facts.
Yes, my lord. On January 2022, my lord,
As
as an assistant manager.
joined as assistant manager.
Yes, my lord.
Where?
My first posting was in Daporijo branch.
Daporijo.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, then
And then, my lord, I served there from January to April 2023.
okay.
And on 17th April, I was transferred to Bhalupong branch, and the whole incident is there, my lord. Incident, whatever they are
April
claiming.
23.
Yes, my lord.
Transferred to Bhalupong.
Bhalupong branch. My lord, I was given the charge of branch manager with no any security guard, no any senior assistants, neither any senior clerk was there to guide me. And
Bhalupong, your branch manager.
yes, my lord. And my lord, the Ministry of Finance guidelines are itself there that there should not be a probationary officer should not be engaged in any kind of branch related works. He should not be authorized to give loans.
You joined as your probation period is up to what period?
For 2 years, my lord.
2 years probation.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And then, my lord, whatever the incident they are saying, they are even claiming, my lord, I opened a branch account there. And my lord, I admit that I have opened the account, but they are claiming some kind of 93,000 fraud. And I even say, my lord, from the...
You opened an account means of some customer.
No, my lord. I opened an account with the bank name, just in the interest of bank, my lord. APRB Bhalupong branch, because such kind of accounts are there in every branches, my lord. I opened, and there is a reason to it, my lord. But they are claiming that I have done fraud, my lord, in the termination
Opened
letter.
an account in your bank of your own bank.
Yes, my lord, because, my lord, some to ease the customer transactions, my lord. We can open that
Is
account.
it a established, is it a recognized procedure?
Not at all.
My lord,
It is not a recognized procedure.
Not at
my lord, some actually happens, my lord. For example, in order to ease the customer transactions, my lord, this kind of things, my lord, it is opened in every branches, my lord.
No, was it done with the concurrence of the higher authorities?
No, my lord. Actually, my lord, but the so-cause notice they have served me and the termination letter is completely different, my lord. In fact, there are added points in the termination letter, and in the termination letter, they have alleged me of the fraud. My lord, merely on a account opening, they...
Let us see the show-cause notice.
On page number 52, my lord.
52.
Yes, my lord. And they are claiming that I have done 93,000 fraud, in which I was not given a chance to defend myself, my lord. They are saying that inquiry was done. No, any inquiry was done, my lord.
52. Please read.
My lord, they are in the point number 2, they are saying, my lord, accordingly, an investigation was conducted at our Bhalupong branch, and following irregularities were observed by the investigating official. And my lord, surprisingly, this investigation, what they are saying, itself doesn't say that I have done any kind of fraud. It can be seen in the page number 147 of their counter affidavit, my lord. My lord, all these instances happened because I was in probationary period. I was not given a single day training, my lord. I admit, but I don't admit of the fraud. And if they prove me, my lord, fraud of 93.
Explanation call. Please read what is this explanation call.
It's irregularity in account opening at Bhalupong branch, my lord. And deposit account opened using APRB PAN and 10. Yes, I have opened the account, my lord. And in the so-cause notice, my lord, they are not claiming of any fraud and anything. In fact, the so-cause and termination are totally different. Termination letter is in page number 66, my lord.
What is your explanation? 53 after 53. Did you submit your explanation?
Yes, my lord. I submitted the explanation. And if you please,
where is it?
It is in, my lord. Page number 65, my lord.
65.
But they have claimed, my lord, some kind of fraud, and they 93,000 fraud, and they have itself deducted from my salary account also.
Let us see. 65. Your
65 is the so-cause notice reply, and 66 is the termination letter.
65 is your reply. 3, 4, 25. What did you say? And personal to the disbursement. The project. Mr. Rai, this explanation is not at all worthy.
Yes, my lord, I agree.
You're reading. You're a bank person. This is your explanation.
My lord,
That you
actually,
open an account in the bank's name.
my lord, actually, this kind,
What is your responsibility as a bank officer? It is not of normal, common trust. It's much higher than common integrity and trust. You are having a fiduciary capacity.
yes, sir.
You are lucky that nothing else has been indicated against you.
My lord, in the termination letter, the things are completely different. They have alleged me some kind of fraud amount, and I even don't know. It was even not mentioned in the SOCOS notice, my lord. And even today, I am claiming that if they prove me a single paisa fraud that I have done, I could accept my defeat, my lord. Because all these things I have done as a probationary officer. I was not given any training, my lord.
You know how to open an interface account without any training. You know how to open a bank's account without any training.
No, sir.
Then,
sir, I agree.
You have to be consistent in your approach.
Yes, sir.
You cannot take advantage of your ignorance, and yet you do all the things. Bank officer, your level of integrity should be much above.
My lord, if you please, my lord, give me just 10 minutes, my lord. They have
taken more than 10 minutes. Have we not given you 10 minutes?
No, my lord, they are saying that I have done fraud, my lord.
Yes, we are not on that. You see, what is the final outcome of this order at page 66?
66, and my lord, this is the termination letter.
Probation, you have been found to be.
No, my lord, my probation period was completed, my lord. They didn't submit the confirmation letter, my lord.
Can it be served when the so-called notice explanation was on 29/3/2025?
My lord, I just want to say itself our rule book says that charges must be framed, inquiry must be done, departmental inquiry must be nothing was.
Officer.
Yes, sir.
For a full-fledged officer.
Yes. No, my lord, it's not mentioned there, my lord. Directly, it's in page number 40, my lord.
40.
And the main thing is, my lord, fraud.
Let us see. We are not going into the allegations, Mr. Rai. We are on the aspect of the procedure. Page 39, page 40.
Page 40, my lord, in right hand side, my lord.
Yes, please.
In the second paragraph, provided that no major penalties, my lord. If you allow me to read, my lord. Provided that no major penalties as specified in 126 of clause B of sub-regular.
These are meant for whom?
My lord, for major penalties, my lord.
Meant for whom?
My lord, it's nowhere written that probation or non-probation. If they are
officers.
No, my lord. Because
What is the difference between a probation officer and regular officer?
my lord, first of all, I was terminated not on probation. I was terminated on fraud, on punitive measures, my lord.
Where is the confirmation letter?
My lord, they didn't give it. They didn't give to me.
Court that no confirmation was given to you.
And my lord, when I was asking them, they directly terminated me.
Cause of action. Your status still remains as a probationary officer. How do you equate yourself with a full-fledged officer?
But
if probation, if you're not made a full-fledged officer, you have had a grievance, you should have come to the court.
My lord, my probation period completed on January, and they are leveling me as a fraud, my lord. That's why I'm saying, my lord.
We will not say anything about the fraud. We are only on the aspect of procedure to be. You are saying that there is a rule prescribed 40, it's only for officers and employees. You are on a provision.
No, it's saying that for major penalties, all these inquiry and.
That is not applicable to you.
So, my lord, means the investigation that they are claiming that itself it doesn't mention that I have done fraud. Then
Fraud aspect we have already said, we are not going to repeat. Fraud aspect we are not too much concerned. We may also say that fraud will not have any effect. We are only on the procedure part.
My lord, one thing I want to say, my lord, I have the Ministry of Finance guidelines, my lord, where a probation should not be engaged in the branch related works for giving loans and everything, my lord.
So did you lodge any complaint that why have you given me?
What, my lord?
Why have you given me this kind of job while I am a probationary officer?
My lord, I was in probation.
Full charge. You took extra step. You opened a bank account in the bank's name.
My lord, opening a bank account, my lord, I agree, but I have not done fraud, my lord.
So doing something which is not prescribed by law to a bank officer, that itself is a misconduct.
My lord, but they have deducted 93,000. They are claiming me as a fraudster. I am not a fraudster, my lord. Let them prove.
We are not on the aspect of holding you as a fraud. We are on the aspect of.
I was not given any training, my lord, in fact.
Of an order of
discharging you of, discontinuing you from your service.
My lord, the so cause notice and the termination letter are completely different. I was not given even chance to defend myself, my lord.
See, your
Even being a
explanation-
professional, my lord, I have my rights to defend myself, my lord. They are completely violating Article 311 of the Constitution of India. They are not even following their own bank's rule. Even their
What's
own.
the bank's rules? What are the rights of a probationary officer? Are you at par with any other officer or employee? So are the bank's rules.
My lord, even the so cause and the termination are different, my lord.
Please do not jump.
Yes, sir.
We are asking a question. Please answer the question if you have. If you do not have an answer, say I cannot answer. Where are the rules?
My lord, that the one I shown, my
Yes,
lord, in
which
page
part?
number, in page
Which
number
part?
40, that one.
40, that is for officers. For probation, what are the rules?
There is nowhere written that for probation or for officers, for directly include, for a major penalty, there should be departmental inquiry, my lord. And if they could have done, at the initial stage, it was clear that I have not done any fraud, my lord. And moreover, my lord, there is a Supreme Court judgment, my lord, that so cause notice and termination letter should not be different, my lord. I have the copies also.
We'll examine that.
Yes, please. In the so cause notice, they didn't even claim that I have done fraud.
Bank service. What is the, what are the provisions in the rule for probation? In the rules for probation?
My lord, it's nothing like for probation or they are giving me just my lord.
There is no provisions in the rule regarding probation.
No, my lord, there are.
Please, take us to the rules. Come to Rule 8. If you know, why don't you place it? Why
Yes, my
we
lord.
have to show you the rules? Rule 8. What is Rule 8?
Lordship, confirmation is further required.
We'll hear you. Please have your seat.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Rule 8.
Yes, an officer directly appointed in Group A post shall be on probation for a period of 2 years, which may be extended by appointing authority for a period not exceeding 1 year. Yes, my lord.
Then
An employee promoted to a post in scale 1 of Group A shall
what
be
is
on.
9?
An officer or employee shall be confirmed in the service of the bank if the opinion of the appointing authority, the officer or employee satisfactorily completed his probation. Yes, my lord.
So there is a requirement of confirmation. There is no confirmation in your case. So you do not acquire the status of a full-fledged officer or an employee.
My lord, if you please, I'm not arguing, my lord. I will come to the point. But my lord, the so cause notice and the termination are completely different. And my lord, I agree that I have given the reply of the so cause notice, but they termed me as a fraudster in the termination letter. And even they have to prove, my lord, where I have done fraud. They have deducted my
You
salary.
want the court's approval to the expression fraudster? We can give a seal of approval.
But my lord,
What have you done? What have you even admitted? That he opens a bank account in the name of the bank only to facilitate somebody to repay a loan which was also not paid? What is this kind of explanation? What is this kind of explanation? Is it worth even reading? Somebody was not able to pay the loan, you open a separate account. Then the explanation interface is not working, even the loan was not been repaid. What are these?
My lord, I was not having. I agree to that, my lord. But my lord,
You're lucky that you are in the nothing else has been said against you, and you are in the stage of probation. Yes, ma'am.
my lord, I was in probation period at that time, my lord.
Yes. What is your name?
Yes. May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the
I have your seat. We'll come to you if it's required. What is your name?
Itaba.
You're the bank's counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
Itaba.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, page number 50.
50.
Yes, Lordship.
Of the repetition.
No, of the petition.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the appointment order of the petitioner. He has been appointed on probation. Lordship, there is a rule that is called Arunachal Pradesh Rural Bank Officers and Employees Service Regulation 2010. Here in the appointment order itself, it is very much clearly written. Please also note that your appointment will be governed by the said regulation of 2010, a copy of which will be given to you.
Which page?
Page number 50, Lordship.
Where is it? Okay, yes.
Yes, para 2. You should reopen.
You should report.
You should report this office on so and so date for observing necessary formalities. If for any reason you are unable to report at the office within the stipulated date for completion of the formality, your appointment may be cancelled without assigning any reason. After completion of all the formalities, you will be posted at any of our branch located at different places. You are therefore requested to come in readiness to proceed immediately to the branch on receipt of your posting order. Next page, Lordship.
Yes.
Clause G, that is page 51. You will be put on probation for 2 years, and confirmation in the bank will be subject to satisfactory report on your work punctuality, intelligence, moral character, etc. from the office under whom you will be serving, and a receipt of satisfactory police verification report regarding your character and antecedent. This is also very much clearly mentioned in the appointment order itself. Lordship, thereafter, soon he was posted at Palufung. Then, Lordship, lots of irregularities has been found in the Balukpung branch. As such, Lordship, an investigation has been carried out by the authority of the bank. That is 146 of affidavit in opposition.
If in opposition.
Affidavit.
If in opposition. That's other file. Affidavit file. Okay. It's there. 146.
Yes. Next page, 147. That is the relevant para, Lordship. Investigation has been carried out by the organization, that is the bank, Lordship. Then the brief finding is, it has come to the knowledge of the competent authority that SB account number so and so, CFI number so and so was opened in the name of Sargari Bosumotri by using APRB, that is the bank, PAN card number so and so, and 10 card number so and so by the Balukpung branch, and he is the manager during that time. A SB account was opened on dated 2/8/2023 in the name and style of APRB Balukpung branch using bank, that is APRB PAN number and 10 number with mark ID number so and so and check-in ID number so and so. Lordship, this ID refers to officer's ID, wherein there is a system in the bank, whoever check into the system, it can be easily reflected, and this ID belongs to him. There is no any signature in the customer nor bank verified officer sign in account opening form. Also, no any documents were enclosed in the account opening form. Account opening form of the same is enclosed herewith. Number 3, the account name of the said account, which was opened in the name of APRB Balukpung branch on 2/8/2023, was later on changed to Sargari Bosumotri, a fictitious account, Lordship. He has opened the account by using the PAN number and TAN number of the bank, respondent bank. Thereafter, when it was caught by the authority of his unauthorized opening of account, later on he has named it as Sargari Bosumotri, which is a fictitious account. By using the bank's account opening form without filling up any documents and obtaining any KYC from the concerned so-called fictitious person. An amount of rupees 7,000 was credited on the said account number on dated 2/8/2023 by unauthorized debit from personal loan account of account number so and so belongs to one Taluk Bagang using maker ID number so and so, it's belong to him, and checker ID number so and so. With respect to the said transaction, a double CR checker DR voucher was prepared and signed by Mr. Subodh Kumar Rai, which has been enclosed herewith. It is also noted that same amount of rupees 7,000 was credited to SB account in question was debited withdraw case on 3/8/2023 using ID number so and so, saving withdrawal from which was signed by Mr. Subodh Rai, the then BM, was using from the said transaction voucher enclosed herewith. An amount of rupees 3,000 was also credited in the said account from account number so and so on dated 4/8/2023. On prudent verification, it has been found that this amount is the proceeds of SI amount relies on dated so and so from account number dated 2/6/2023 from account number so and so of one Sri Iglu Tasi in Lin bank account number so and so APRB Balokpung, maintaining at SBI Balokpung branch being EMI for the personal loan able by Iglu Tasi. On further verification, it has been found that the SI number of Iglu Tasi, that is i.e. rupees 3,000 was realized twice in the SB Link bank account of our Balokpung branch on dated 2/8/2023. The proceeds of this amount was supposed to be credited to the personal loan account so and so belongs to Iglu Tasi able from our Balokpung branch, but instead of credit that the total realized SI amount of PL account of Iglu Tasi, only rupees 3,000 was credited to PL account of Iglu Tasi and remaining rupees 3,000 was credited to SB account in question. Relevant documents enclosed. An amount of rupees 80,000 was also credited in SB account number so and so on dated 8/8/2023 through UPI transaction, but only rupees 75,000 was debited from the said SB account and credited to PL account number so and so of one Mary Hamdung Gui. And the narration of this transaction has been written as arrear repayment. In fact, lots of fraudulent activities was apparently carried out by the petitioner in person. Beside above mentioned transaction, some more amount have been credited in the name credited to same account narrated as Eastern charge, whose debited can be seen from the account statement of the said account enclosed herewith. Now the total available balance of rupees 9,500. These are the basic findings, and Lordship, Annexure 7, Annexure 8, those are the account opening form. Page number 157, Annexure 7. These are the bank account opening form used by the petitioner in person for opening the account fictitiously without filling up any informations with regards to the name of the person. No KYC has been taken, as the authority who is opening the account is himself. And Lordship, may I take Lordship to page number 144. Back again. Lordship, when the bank authority has issued so-called notice, then he has admitted in his so-called notice 144, Lordship, page number 144. He is, in his reply, he said that I could not provide my personal account details for transaction. I was bound to open a separate account in the bank's name purely in good faith and solely to facilitate loan repayment. Later, she stated that her online payment interface was not accepting the account due to the same name being reflected as both sender and beneficiaries. I changed the account name to avoid the technical restriction. I could not provide my all this was done with intention to ensure recovery, as I was under huge pressure regarding branch NPA. Now he is concerning about the non-performing assets, which has not been designated to him at all, Lordship. At that time, being a probation, I was unaware the prior approval from the head office was required for such an action. I now realize the gravity of the oversight and sincerely regret the procedural lapses. Your Honor, he is not a layman, Your Honor. He is a bank officer, and he has been, even in the appointment order, clear instruction has been given that your conduct will be governed by the regulation 2010. But a copy of a regulation has been given to him. But now he is saying that he has overseen and he has not followed the procedure, whatever prescribed. And he has opened fraudulent account, not only 1, 2, 3 times. Your Honor, Lordship. Now he has accepted his guilt as per the regulation. Lordship, it is clearly provided in the regulation 9. He was in probation period for 1 year. Sorry, for 2 years. And yes, Lordship. And regulation 9 clearly says that the officer's probation requires confirmation from the authority who has appointed him. It is clearly said that an officer or an employee shall be confirmed the service of the bank if, in an opinion of the appointing authority, the officer of the employee has satisfactorily completed his probation period. But here in the case of the present petitioner in
You're reading which page?
Lordship, page number 31.
Of
Lordship, page number 31 of plaint, of the petition, writ petition. Page number 31.
Yes.
May I please?
Yes, the rules.
Yes, rules.
Rule 8.
Rule 9. Lordship.
Rule 9, confirmation.
Yes, confirmation. Probation is there, of course. He was on probation, but it need further confirmation from the higher authority. Rule 9 subclause 1 says that an officer or employee shall be confirmed the service of the bank in the opinion of appointing authority the officer or the employee has satisfactorily completed his probation, Lordship. Now we are not satisfied with his conduct. So how can we give confirmation to the petitioner in person, Lordship? As because his antecedent, his conduct, his credential is always doubtful since the joining of his duty, Lordship. So he is in fact not worthy to remain as a bank officer, Lordship. And Regulation 9 subclause 2, where during the period of probation, including the period of extension of probation, if any, the appointing authority is of the opinion that the officer or employee, as the case may be, is not fit for confirmation in the said post, subclause 9 to subclause A, in the case of any direct appointed officer or employee, his service may be terminated. This is the authority where we have terminated his service, in fact, Lordship. Terminated after giving him 1 month notice or pay in lieu thereof, Lordship. In the case of an employee, promotion from, this is not relevant, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, he has admitted that he was, regarding the allegation which we have charged him in our so-called notices, he has admitted. That's why, moreover, he was on probation period, Lordship. That's why we have followed the procedure governing the conduct of officers under Arunachal Pradesh Rural Bank Officer and Employees Service Regulation 2010, and we have followed other statute laid down by the Constitution, and we have legally terminated the incumbent officer, Lordship. As such, this writ petition is not maintainable, Lordship. There is a prima facie, very crystal clear, Lordship, that he was indulged into fraudulent activities since the joining of his duties. Lordship, page number annexure 10 of my affidavit in opposition, annexure page number 1. Since the beginning of his appointment, there are many so-called notices which we issued, Lordship.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, in the SOCOS notice, they are not claiming of fraud, my lord. I admit.
Just a moment. He's one of his leg of argument is that there is a difference between the show cause and the termination order, where in the show cause there is no aspect of any fraudulent activities. In the
fraud
termination,
amount.
you have brought in the aspect of
Fraud amount.
fraudulent activity. What do you say on that?
That is, Lordship, when the so-called notice was issued, during that time, the departmental investigation was not carried out. But when proper investigation was carried out by appointing a designated officer, then the actual fraudulent activities carried out by the petitioner was discovered during investigation.
My lord,
Welcome.
Yeah. That is one of the aspects.
Yes, anything else?
No, that's
Okay, yes.
my lord, whatever the investigation they are saying that they have done, there is no any mention of fraud, my lord. Only the account I have opened, transactions are done, and left amount is there itself in the account, my lord, 9,248. I don't know, my lord, how 93,000 they have calculated, how come that 93,000 have come? They have been even deducted from my account, my lord. Because, my lord, I believe that if they could have done inquiry at that time, my lord, all things would have been clear, my lord. And, my lord, on probation period, my lord, I opened the account because I was not given a single day training, my lord. And, my lord, there is a guideline, if you let me provide, my lord. Yes, my lord. Madam. My lord, in the investigation report also, there is no any 93,000, and this is, my lord, some kind of judgment, my lord. Here also the case is same, my lord. If you please come to page number 34, my lord.
You said there's some guidelines you have.
Yes, yes, it is in the last page, my lord, Ministry of Finance guidelines. It is in the last page. They have made use of this where they have strictly instructed that probationers should not be given. Last page, my lord, last page, extreme last.
Yes.
My lord, this letter number F14/43/2015 is used in this judgment. And my lord, it is to CEOs of all public sector banks and financial institutions. And my lord, the subject is that processing of loans by junior untrained staff on probation and their misuse by the senior employees of the bank, issue of instructions to all public sector banks. My lord, sir, by madam, CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, has brought to the notice of this department the practice in some banks to make untrained staff on probation to process and recommend loans. And point number 2, CVC has advised this department to instruct the public sector banks to ensure that newly recruited officers who are under probation or having a service of less than 2 years are not asked to recommend and process loans unless it forms part of their learning process, my lord. And my lord, if you please come to page number 34, my lord, of this judgment.
Yes.
My lord, in page number 34, from bottom 6th line, my lord. After annexure P2, my lord. Page number 34, 6th line from the bottom, my lord. Sixth line from the bottom, my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, it is written to the effect that Government of India, this is the same guideline, my lord. Ministry of Finance itself had directed the public sector banks to ensure that newly recruited officers who are under probation or having a service of less than 2 years are not asked to recommend and process loans unless it forms the part of their learning process, which means that no independent assessment could have been made by a probationer of having less than 2 years service, and even it was part of his learning process, that should have been under the guidance of an experienced hand, and therefore a person to be blamed for any lapse. My lord, blamed for any lapse is the person under whom the petitioners were under probation and not the petitioner themselves. My lord, I was not, there was no any senior staff to guide me, my lord. And this is the same guideline, my lord. Even the letter number could be found in page number 8, my lord, of this judgment itself. My lord, 6th line from the starting, my lord. Shall I read, my lord?
Just a minute.
Page number 8.
What were the facts in this case?
My lord, this judgment, my lord. Actually, my lord, probationers were put to, given the branch charge, and there some kind of lapses occurred, my lord.
They were probationers.
Yes, my lord. And there was even they were charged of fraud amount. I have a,
Where is the contention? They're probationers.
my lord, page number 6, point number 3, my lord. Petitioner's contention is that.
That we have read for 2 years thereafter.
Yes, my lord. Within these 2 years, my lord, they were because they were under probation, and all these happenings, my lord.
Complaint was of 2018. He was declared successful in the year 2013. If you read paragraph 5, complaint arose in 2018. After 5 years.
My lord, this happening actually, my lord, he was first clerk and then he was appointed as officer.
Okay.
And then all these happenings occurred in his probation period, my lord. My lord, if you please come to page number 8, my lord. Sixth line from the starting, my lord, if you allow me to read.
Yes.
My lord, sixth line from the starting.
Yes, please read.
Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services, Vigilance Section wide, this is the same letter number, New Delhi, dated 15 October 2015, where it is informed by the Director Vigilance to the CEOs of all public sector banks, financial institutions that Central Vigilance Commission has advised this department to instruct all public sector banks to ensure that newly recruited officers who are under probation or having a service of less than 2 years are not asked to recommend and process loans unless it forms part of their learning process. And my lord, whatever the 3 transactions they are talking in my case, it is also related to that loan account, my lord. But my lord, I have not done a fraud. Yes, I admit that I have opened the account because of my insufficient knowledge, not any training, not any guidance by the experienced staff, senior staff, or even senior clerk. My lord, they give me messenger with working, my lord. Not even security guard was there to guide me.
Security guard will not guide you.
No, my lord. Yes, my lord. In fact, some kind of happenings happened, my lord. And no any senior clerk was there. And even what kind of investigation they are telling, there is no any mention of fraud. They have done it arbitrary, my lord.
Have my tab.
My lord, if you please come to page number 147 of counter affidavit, that is the investigation. They have not even provided to me, my lord. No any inquiry was done. If you please come to 147, my lord, of counter affidavit. Page 147, my lord.
Yes.
In page 148, my lord, you can see these are the points, my lord, 6 to 7 points, my lord.
Yes.
This is the same point that I have been alleged in the SOCOs also. But surprisingly, in the termination, 93,000 they claimed me as a fraudster and they deducted it, my lord. And here, my lord, in these 7 points, they are itself telling that money has come and gone to the respective loan accounts. And shall I read, my lord?
Just a minute, please. Just a minute. Which page?
My lord, page number 148, my lord.
148.
Yes, my lord.
We have read one.
Ma'am, sir, whatever they are mentioning here from 7, 8 points, here itself they are, my lord, saying that money has come and gone to their respective accounts. My lord, you can see at the page number 149, point number 8, my lord. There itself they are saying that a total balance in the account is 9,500. And my lord, when they have done inquiry, till my tenure, it was 9,248. how this 93,000 have come, if they could explain me, I will be very grateful, my lord. And my lord, there is no any fraud, my lord. Till my tenure, it was only 9,248. Those 3 transactions, my lord, if you allow, I could explain it verbally to you also. My lord, shall I read?
Which one?
My lord, point number 5, my lord. They are saying 3,000 of Igul Tasi.
Yes.
My lord, what happened is that 3,000 of Igul Tasi, I will explain, my lord. My lord, if any person takes loan from our bank,
Explain to the court, you have explained to the.
my lord, I have explained from page number 8 to page number 13, my lord, in my writ petition.
Court is not an expert on this. Court will have a prima facie view.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the nature of the allegation? What is your reply to the allegation?
Yes, my lord. From page number 8 to page number
You
13,
have
my
not even referred to your reply to the appeal in the appeal you have filed.
Yes.
appeal, my lord, to the board of directors.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I have given.
You have not even referred to it. Why have you not referred to it? At page 186.
Oh, yes, ma'am. My lord, in my board's reply, I have made everything clear, my lord, but they didn't even let me allow to be there, my lord, and they didn't talk on that matter also on fraud, simply on, my lord, on unnecessary grounds that again terminated me without any mentioning of fraud. And my lord, they are saying that they have done inquiry. They have not done inquiry. They have not done.
186, what do you say? 186? 186, they have brought on record. You should have got on record.
Which,
What is
one thing, my lord.
this? Have you annexed this? Your reply to the appeal, your appeal rather.
Appeal, yes, my lord, I have given.
In your petition.
Yes, my lord.
Where is your appeal?
One
Page?
second, my lord. Board appeal, page number 72, my lord, in my affidavit.
72.
Yes, my lord.
Now, what about this page?
Which one, my lord?
An earnest request to withdraw my termination. At page 186.
Of counter affidavit.
Yes. Have you enclosed this?
186. One second, my lord. My lord, actually, this is not related to this kind of my termination, my lord. This order. Actually, it is some older things, older one, my lord.
Please do not make any
Yes, sir.
facts to this court.
No, sir. Actually, my lord, this is of 2000.
If you don't want cost to be imposed upon you, please don't use misleading. What is this subject? An earnest request to withdraw my termination.
Actually, my lord, this termination was issued 25 May 2023 on which they increased my probation for a year, my lord.
So what is your explanation here? What is the date of this?
25 May 2023.
What is stated here? I agree that my indiscipline at my workplace brings a question to my career as a banker, but I promise I will work hard now and will work in the interest of the branch. Please forgive me for once. I forgive. I promise I'll regain the reputational image of the branch and will continue. These are all relevant consideration. It has been going on.
My lord, that after it, they increased my probation, my lord, for a year.
Is there any confirmation?
It is.
What are the nature of the charges here in 2023 also?
My lord, they on page number 183, they issued me this notice, and in reply to that, I gave it, my lord.
What are the nature of the allegation against you? In this 2023 also.
And after that, my lord, they increased my probation for a year, and which got completed on January 2025, my lord. And then after also, my lord, they didn't, because my lord, the rule itself says that probation can be increased up to 1 year After that also they hold it for 5 months, my lord, without any informing me, my lord. And my lord, I can successfully say that within the extended probation period, my lord, I have not done a single kind of, my lord, any complaint was raised against me. And this issue related to now of my termination, my lord, that they have given me is of the probation period, my lord, when I was having just 12 months of experience and posted as a branch manager.
Difficult case, Mr. 94. 10, 9, 24.
If I could say, my lord.
194.
My lord, shall I say something?
Yes, just a minute. Just a minute. Let us go. Yes, what is it?
My lord, from in counter affidavit, whatever you were telling me that this one, that termination, my lord, from annexer C to the last one, I have duly replied, and my lord, following that, they felt that to increase my probation, and I was also agreeing with that. After that, my lord, whatever they have given me in the so-cause notice, my lord, that thing is related to my probation period where there was no any assistance and was all those things happened just of my ignorance. And my lord, surprisingly, in the termination letter, they termed me 93,000 and they deducted me. That's my only thing, my lord, that I opened the account. Yes, I admit it, my lord. But I do not admit that I have done fraud, my lord. And my lord, my probation period completed on January 2025 and my termination was done on May 2025. Our rule book itself says that probation can't be extended by more than 1 year. So how come they didn't give me the confirmation certificate for 5 months more? And secondly, my lord, they are not, I have not done any single, let them come with any single problem, my lord. Within the extended probation period, my lord, there is not a single mistake done by me. I could say that. And if I have not done any mismanagement or anything, not any problem was raised, then my probation period was satisfactory. Then they could have given me, my lord, because I was anticipating that, my lord. And only, yes, my lord, I agree that I have opened the account, but I have not done any fraud, my lord. My lord, if one thing, my lord, lastly.
Yes.
Page number 70, my lord. This is my account statement, my lord. My affidavit.
70.
70.
Yes, what is this?
Hard row from the bottom, my lord. They deducted on 1st May 2025. They terminated and there is written, my lord. Shall I read, my lord?
Yes.
A credit 1 month salary paid after recovery of fraud amount. They deducted it, my lord. That's why I'm asking from the past 1 year that where is the fraud and why have you not given? In the RTI also I filed, my lord. And in RTI they are saying that a third party disclosure cannot be done, my lord. My lord, page number 71 is the RTI. They deducted my salary of 93,000. My lord, page number 71 is the RTA. They are saying that they have given me the inquiry report, investigation report, but here itself I'm asking, my lord, and they have not given me, my lord. Because, and in that investigation report itself, there is no any mention of fraud, my lord. And SOCOS is completely different, my lord. My lord, if you please, I can speak, my lord.
Yes,
मैं आपको एक दिया था ना आगे. I saw this one, my lord. This Ravi Yoran versus State of Jharkhand, my lord. This judgment I gave, my lord. My lord, this is the Supreme Court judgment, my lord. If you allow me to read.
Please, which paragraph?
My lord, page number 18.33. Shall I, my lord?
Page?
Number 18, point number 33. My lord, in page 30, point number 33, I'll read, my lord.
Yes.
Because I'm saying that the SOCOS and termination are different. The present is akin to a situation where the noticee successfully defends the charge against him, but is made to suffer civil consequences because the notifier finds the noticee guilty of a different charge, in respect whereof he is put to notice. In such a case, the finding of guilt, which is at variance with the original charge, without proper opportunity to respond, offends due process and render any action or order unsustainable. My lord, I was given the charge of 93,000, which I was not even given the chance to self-defense, my lord. Because the SOCOS is completely different from the termination. This is the SOCOS, my lord, in page number 52.
Okay.
My lord, in page number 52, my lord, this is the SOCOS. My lord, I'm not an expert in law, but my lord, I little bit, whatever I'm knowing, I know that for punitive.
Take up that plea. There is no bar to engage an expert counsel.
Okay, sir.
You have chosen to present your case yourself. So don't say that you are not an expert in law.
Okay, sir.
We are not on that consideration.
But my lord, I certainly feel that for punitive kind of termination, they could have done departmental inquiry because it is a stigma. It is if I am labeled as a fraudster, it is a stigma on my whole career, my lord. And it was not mentioned in the SOCOS notice.
Okay, we'll consider.
May I please? Only one more.
No, we have heard you. Yes, what is it?
Only one.
No
Yes,
procedure for
only on law.
or agenda.
Only on law point, Lordship.
Which one?
Lordship, as per this regulation, page number 40 of red petition.
Yes.
Lordship, 40, Lordship, page number
40.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Yes, Lordship, right hand side, the third paragraph. This regulation 2010 further provides that, provided that, has Lordship got it?
Page 40.
40.
Yes.
Right hand side, first, second, third, fourth para.
Provided further.
Yeah, provided further that an inquiry need not be held, Lordship. Now the basic contention of the plaintiff petitioner in person is that no inquiry was carried out. Lordship, here the regulation mandates that if the employees make a voluntary admission of his guilt in his reply to the aforesaid SOCOS notice, the inquiry does not need even, Lordship. This is my submission, Lordship.
My lords, can I say something?
Not required at all.
My lord,
Moreover, he was in prima facie. We have shown that he himself is admitting that he was in probation period.
My lord,
And
even
it requires further confirmation.
my lord, can I speak?
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I even now, before the honorable court, I am admitting that I am opened the account, but I am not admitting of the fraud, my lord. Whatever he is saying that it is, of admission, that admission of his guilt. I have not admitted of guilt of 93,000 because they were not even given me 93,000 in the show cause notice. The show cause is completely different, my lord. Investigation report, what they are talking.
Third is right. Heard Sri S.K. Rai, petitioner in person, also heard
T. Taba.
Sri T. Taba,
Yes, Lord.
learned counsel for the respondent bank. The hearing is concluded, judgment is reserved. Okay, we'll consider.
D. privilege.
My lord, one thing I want to say, my lord. My lord, I am requesting to them because, my lord, my whole career is there, my lord, and I am requesting for the no objection and the experience certificate for which I have been there served. And my lord, they are not even serving to me. And for my lord, in the April month, I am appearing for some interviews, my lord. In the recently SBI CBO exam, I cleared the mains, but I couldn't appear in the interview because I was not having those certificates, my lord. So I request you, my lord, please please give the this judgment, my lord, little bit earlier, my lord. It's my pleading to you, my lord. It's my request to you, my lord. Thank you.
Item number
This one.
Item number 7.
Yes. Item number
7 to 9.
Mayor, please also. My lord, in item number 7, 8, and 9, my lord, the respondent are supposed to file their affidavit, my lord. My lord, if respondent are not proposes to file their affidavit, my lord, and this matter can be heard, my lord.
Yes,
My
Mr.
lord,
Arpan?
my lord, this matter came up on 26th, my lord. And in the first item, WPC 130, there is a interim provided that the work order, no work order shall be issued to any party without leave of this honorable court. My lord, the petitioner has not participated in the tender process.
Okay.
The basic contention in this writ petition is that he needs enough time for participating in the tender. The deadline expired on 28. He had time till 28. This writ petition was filed on 26. So there is an interim saying that no further, but he has not participated. As per my instruction here, despite the deadline being on.
Why 3 matters?
3 matters, all
3 contracts.
3 contracts.
3 different contracts.
There are 3 different contracts, my lord.
You did not participate.
My lord, the question is not regarding participation. I'm challenging the legality and validity of the IFB, which was published by the respondent, my lord. On the count that, my lord, it is, my lord, published in violation of clause 4.13 of the CPW manual, my lord. My lord, as per CPW manual, my lord. My lord, if the amount of work is more than 5 crore, my lord, 14 days time should be given between, my lord, time for publication and, my lord, submission of the tender papers, my lord. That has not been followed, my lord. That is my bone of contention in this writ petition.
Now, are you ready for participating?
My lord, I'm ready, my lord, if time is extended, my lord.
Mr. Ratan?
My lord, time has.
We are still at the stage of evaluation of the technical bids.
No, my lord, it's a single bid and the deadline was till 28.
No, that is where I have understood. But if his main contention is violation of the guidelines requiring 14 days.
Yes.
And there is an interim restriction not to give work without the leave of the court. Is the price bid open?
Yes, madam.
Price bids are open?
Yes, madam. It was the NIT.
Single bid. Single bid system.
Single bid system.
Single bid system.
And it was open. He had time till, even when he had filed this writ petition, this was on 26. He had time till 28.
Yes. No, but till 28 was the 14 days requirement complete?
My lord, here 7 days was given, madam.
No, see, if the rules prescribes 14 days And we cannot restrict him from coming to the court that there is a violation. And it will not be on your part to say that he still had 2 days. Even by 2 days, it would not have been 14 days. So the 14 days violation is there, admittedly.
Yes.
So how do you reconcile?
My lord, what the manual says, my lord, it's not even a rule, my lord, it's the manual, CPW manual. What it says that tenders above up to 5 crores, 7 days. Above 5 crores, it will be normal 14 days. But these are desirable dates. In exigencies, the time limit can be reduced. However, it should not be less than 3 days. Now here,
what is the nature of the work?
Construction and nature of the work.
My lord, this is for my lord, upgradation of the my lord infrastructure development of my lord this Sejingba circle, my lord.
Of
Sejingba circle, my lord. New circle has been created, my lord. In
what is the
Sejingba.
urgency?
No, urgency
That you
is
cannot wait for 14 days.
No, my lord. Urgency, as per this, what urgency is that these works have been sanctioned in the month of March, and because of this administrative, this financial year ending, the tenders have to be floated. That is, these were sanctioned as an additional in the additional budget, my lord, in the month of March. So since this is in the last financial year ending, this has to be used up, and therefore the there was a this request made that we need to reduce that to complete these things within March.
Now what will happen?
Now there are they have five bidders have participated. Why couldn't he participate? It's an online tender, and day and night bidding. These documents can be downloaded irrespective of holidays.
But my lord,
So
that has to be prepared, my lord. That will be my lord.
The online bidding that was started, even in the last minute, you could have submitted your bid. When others could have participated, why couldn't he? That is the thing. And this is a CPWD manual, and the relaxation of the time limit can be given. When the authorities feels that, no, we have to do the tender process within a very short period. That is the thing.
My lord,
but there is no denial on the aspect of notice being published.
Yes.
The challenge is only on the time for submission of the bids.
It's not that the NIT has not
Notice
been.
was not there and surreptitiously have carried out. That is not the case.
Only on the time limit. Whether he will have an absolute right to claim that he will have to be given 14 days time. Whether the authorities cannot reduce the time limit. And
how much is the amount involved?
Is 29 crores 70 lakhs, man. 29 crores.
This one is 29 crores. First.
When did you publish the tender?
21st, my lord.
21st of?
March, my lord.
March.
March. When did you move this application?
26th, my lord. My lord, if my lord is hearing this matter, my lord, I have to put some facts also, my lord. There is some facts, my lord, which has precluded the petitioner to participate in the tender also, my lord.
What facts? You like to file any counter, Mr. Ratan?
We would, because this was only on 26th.
Why is it listed today then?
Well, it was fixed on that day, man. On 20.
We have seen the date 31/3.
Yes.
Why was it done?
Well, also they have to file their response.
No, there was another consideration.
Yes, my lord.
Taking into account the bid submission period has already been extended by corrigendum.
Yes.
It is directly respondent may proceed with the tender process pursuant to the invitation they published on 19/3, 18/3, and the corrigendum on 23/3. However, any further action taken and the finalization shall be subject to the outcome.
That is, my lord.
This is item.
Item,
Item
WPC
131.
131.
My lord, we are
One-
on item number 8, my lord. Item number 8, 130, my lord.
130.
130 is a different matter.
130.
Same matter, but here in the other two items, the time was already over. The bidding submission last deadline was already over. But in item 6,
Finalization shall be some subject and no work order shall be issued without the leave of the court. Have you finalized?
no, my lord, we are that instruction, only the bid has been processed, and there were 5 bidders as per my.
Since there is an order balancing the equities, you file your pleadings. We give you an
In
early
fact,
date.
that this order also was because there was an time left for the petitioner to participate. He did not even participate there. Since deadline was not over.
No, that you can state in your affidavit. But this was moved immediately on 26.
Yes, ma'am.
It was published on 21/3. He says that from 21/3, 14 days.
Yes, ma'am.
So he comes to the court on 26.
Yes.
And as per this notice, the last date was what? 20?
28.
28. Why he did not have the expertise to submit the tender?
My lord, my lord knows, my lord, in tender, my lord, in online tender, my lord, there are 3 primary documents which is necessary, my lord. First is, my lord, this tender fee. Second is earnest money deposit. And third is, my lord, this field verification, my lord. We have tried, my lord. Actually, we have verified the field and submitted our verification to the officer concerned, my lord. But they have rejected our field verification on the count that since it is not geotech, and since the representative of the divisional officer has not accompanied me, my lord, therefore this site verification is not, my lord, the good, man. Thereafter, my lord, I have contacted them, tried to contact them, that since field verification is an vital document.
You should have come to the court with a different context than field verification is not given to me. I am not being able to submit my bid within the time. We'd have, insofar as state of Assam is concerned, similar cases are there in series.
Yes, ma'am.
We have said that if prima facie there are materials to show that there was a field verification and some officer, because of some extraneous consideration, has refused to give a certificate, the department will get, because those are only to facilitate the contractor to know the site, so that tomorrow he cannot take up a plea that I was not aware of this site. In fact, in all contracts, there is a requirement to have a field verification. Now, to have the certificate is only to bind him tomorrow that you cannot say that I was not aware of this site.
Yes, ma'am. No, to that,
In fact, when he has submitted this, he was advised that you bring geotech and then along with this
photographs,
geotech photographs and maybe accompanied with the staff. And that was on 25th. The last date was on 28th.
Yes.
That was in advance. There is nothing prohibiting him.
Well, kindly, you also come to page
In
31.
advance, before the deadline, he was advised that this may not be.
But if this was the only ground, perhaps an order could have been passed, allowing his bid to be considered without even the certificate.
Yes.
Because to his prejudice,
yes,
will not bind you, not giving the certificate.
Yes.
But you have already gone ahead and opened the finance.
He was even on that day. He was even said that till now on 26th, till now, tomorrow also you can go and get that certificate and submit the bid. He had not submitted.
Oh, if that was the only case, he could have done that. If undertaking was given by the state,
he could have.
Where is the site?
Site is at Sijingba, my lord. This is outpost, my lord.
Doesn't matter. Nowadays, having a photograph will not take even 1 minute. Somebody having a
Yes, my lord. That's why,
mobile photograph transmitted to it by WhatsApp and send it to get a
In
print.
fact,
but my lord, the condition is that, my lord, it should be accompanied by the, my lord, staffs, my lord. Designated
that
staffs,
also
my
was
lord.
there. That was there.
My lord, they are evading their presence in their office, my lord. My lord, if I come to facts, my lord.
No, that we have taken care of.
Yes, my lord.
Taken care of in your behalf, on your behalf,
My lord.
in your favor rather. So they're saying that even if it a photograph with a geotag without a staff can be considered by them. It's only to show that you have visited the site.
Sites, man. Yes, my lord, that is, but they have
Objective is not to for their benefit. Objective to bind you later on. And this is only at the preliminary stage. Whether you will be qualifying in the financial bid, compete with the others, that's a different matter. Second stage. Now, how do you resolve this? They have already opened the financial bids.
my lord, let them come in form of
If how soon can you file the affidavit?
We'll be filing the affidavit. Let
Hertz, Sri H. Lampu, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri N. Ratan, please, put stop. Sri Ratan, the learned AG, submits that pursuant to the order of this court, the bids have been opened, which opened in the tender, which was a one bid system, and only for the and because of the restraint order, the same has not been finalized. He has also contended that the petitioners had adequate time to submit the necessary documents, which in this case pertains to a field verification report along with geotag photograph, as the last date was 28/3/2026 and the writ petition was moved on 26/3/2026. Para, be that as it may, let affidavit in opposition be filed by the state respondent, and the matter be listed on
next Monday.
Monday, my lord, let it be on 8th, man.
8.
8th.
8 April.
8 April, man.
8 April. 8 April.
7.
This court will leave early on 8th.
7.
7th, try on 7th. 8th, my brother will be there. 8th, this court will leave early. On 8th April. 8 April. Okay. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of list. Same order.
In the others, there is no interim order. Other two, there is no.
My lord, the finalization will be subject to.
Whatever interim order, whatever it is. Whatever is the interim order.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord. My lord, item number 10, my friend Mr. B. Kosik will appear, my lord.
Affidavit in opposition not yet filed by the respondent number 125. Would you like to file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we have not received the para is comment till that, Your Lordship.
Okay, let them file the affidavit.
My lord.
Okay. Heard Sri B. Picha, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Office note dated 33/2026 reflects that affidavit in opposition has not yet been filed by the respondent numbers 1251-5. Para, Miss
O Jarang, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel appearing
On behalf of the SGIM Kato.
Appearing on instruction of Sri M. Kato, learned deputy SGI, submits that instructions are yet to be received.
Yes, Your Lordship.
She accordingly prays for and is granted 4 weeks time.
Okay, Lordship.
4 weeks time
Right.
to file the affidavit in opposition. Should we fix a date?
No, my lord. I was asked for 10 April, my lord. It will be very soon, my lord.
10 April will not be possible.
No, not be possible.
We'll have another date list on today's
31st.
31st. We'll have it on.
Let it be after 4 weeks, my lord. It's okay.
4 weeks.
Yes.
We'll have it on 4th of May.
What the?
Okay, Lordship. Much obliged.
Obliged.
Is there any interim order, Mr. Picha? No.
No, no, my lord.
Item number 11 to 13.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Sering?
My lord, in respect of respondent number 4, 7, and 8, the
Yes.
service is still awaited, my lord. So I may be allowed to take a fresh step in 4, 7, and 8.
In all the matters.
In item number 12 is respondent number 7, 8, and 9. And item number 13 is completed, my lord.
Okay. So we pass separate orders.
My lord.
Okay. You write in item 343, huh? 343 is item number 11. Office note dated 33/20/26 reflects that neither ready card nor unserved notice has been received in respect of respondent numbers 4, 7, and 8. Full stop. Sarah? 3. J. Sering, you write key also.
My lord.
Key. Let
Key.
it counsel for the petitioners praised for and is granted a week's time to take fresh steps upon the aforesaid respondents. Correct? Your name?
J. Sring for respondent number 11 to 20.
Who is for the state? Priyan Ratan, Leonard AG. Sri, your name? J?
Sring.
J. Sring for respondent number?
11 to 20.
And you?
For respondent number, the respondent number 10 in item number 11.
Private respondents?
Yes.
Private respondent.
Then you write, didn't say number. J. Sering and Sri Surensu, Leonard counsel for the private respondents are present. Okay, so this will be in 343. Insofar as 337 is concerned, the fresh step will be taken on behalf of 7, 8, and 9. Rest all okay. Huh? And in 338 you say? There also you appear in
Yes.
this, okay. And 338, pleadings are completed.
No, not yet.
They have appeared.
They have appeared, but they may file an
we'll file
affidavit, my lord.
In 338 you write, heard 3, so and so, huh? J. Saranki, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Sri N. Ratan, learned AG, Sri so and so. You're for?
For respondent number 4 to 8.
4 to 8 and in 338.
He's not there.
And you are not there. Have you filed affidavit, Mr. Ratan?
Yes.
While the state has filed affidavit in opposition, Sri so and so, learned counsel for the respondent numbers 4 to 8.
4 to 8.
Prays for and is granted 3 weeks time to file, 4 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. List on, we give a common date, okay?
Well,
List on, we'll say on 4th of May. 4th of May. Yeah, earlier cases also write 4th of May.
Grateful.
In earlier cases, write 4th of May along with fresh service report, both the cases.
Hello. Great.
Yes.
Item number 14.
Please, Lordship, may I? Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2 on behalf of Standing Council Tabatagam, Lordship. Education Department.
Education Department.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, we're supposed to file affidavit.
Not filed.
Yes. However, in last week, we received the fair-wise reply. Therefore, I'm praying for.
Filed affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Part 3G BAM, learned counsel for the petitioners. Para. Office note dated 33/20/26 reflects that affidavit in opposition has not been filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2. Para. Sri, your name?
T. Tato.
Learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri T. Tagum.
Yes, Lordship.
Standing counsel education. Prays for and is granted 4 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para. List on 4th of May to enable filing of such affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 15.
Yeah,
Yes.
please, my lord. My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 9, my lord. My lord, I pray that petitioner may be directed to serve us with a proper petition copy, my lord.
Proper means?
Pages, page number 20 is missing, and page number 50, 83, and 60 are not legible, my lord.
Yes. Why do you serve improper copies?
My Lord, I'm representing on behalf of Advocate Nilam Taje.
Okay,
I'm
do you have a copy of the brief? Do you have the brief or not? Petition copy is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Please serve her at least those pages which madam says are not legible or missing.
Yes, my lord.
Have you noted? Please note the page numbers. Okay, madam, I will give it to you. What is your name?
M. Karbak
Your name is there or not?
in respondents list.
Item number?
15. After P. Tafo, M. Karbak.
Okay.
Item number 15.
Okay. Miss M. Karbak, learned counsel for the item, for the respond numbers?
9.
9. Has submitted that the copy which has been served does not contain all the pages and certain pages are not legible. Tara, your name?
Advocate Takarniji, representing on behalf of Advocate Nilam Taje. Petitioner.
So learned counsel appearing for the petitioners undertakes to furnish the missing pages and legible copies of the pages to Miss Karbak during the course of the day. Full stop. Mr. Naba, you're for whom?
I'm for respondent number.
You have filed affidavit?
Not yet, my lord. Will not give time, my lord.
Both
1, 2,
Sri
yeah.
and R.H. Nabam, Leonard AG, and Miss Karbak pray for, and are granted 4 weeks' time to file the affidavit of position. List on 4th of May. Give the copies today itself to madam, okay?
Sure.
Pass over matter item number 1.
My lord, I spoke with the standing counsel for the GST. And unfortunately, what happened this morning, one of our colleagues was assaulted by some persons who did not get a favorable order. So that's why today morning I was also delayed. We, the executive members, went and visited him. So that's why he could not come today.
Okay.
But otherwise, his associate is here, and he also expressed that this can be decided.
You are for the CGC?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Standing counsel for GST.
CGST.
If you are agreeable, we can pass the same order.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Soki, you make the corrections in the order. You have given a copy.
Yes.
And both of you, Mr. Kato, you are also appearing in GST.
Item 1, GST.
GST matter, yes, madam.
You will record your presence as Deputy SGI and Madam's presence on behalf of standing counsel. Write the names of everybody and make all the corrections, details, okay? And give it to Madam. We'll follow it. Disposed of.
Madam, I'm sorry, madam. I am to mention in item number, madam, this morning, madam mentioned what made in item number 20. I forgot to mention for continuation of the interim order, madam.
20 has been already typed out. We'll have to see. Pune Marisa 20 day.
Interim.
20.
Buni was there. It was list for 23-4.
23-4.
I mentioned this morning, madam, but I forgot to mention for the continuation.
We'll have to check, okay? Okay, this, you have a copy, Mr. Soki? You can have the copy, you have given one copy to the court. Whatever, you take this back. You give that one, okay? In this, you, madam, you give this back to.
I'll make the necessary.
Item number 17.
Text number
17.
17, my lord. Mr. Tony Partin Jr., he was there. My lord.
In fact, bar meeting is going on. Bar association meeting is going on. Maybe the council is present.
It was by order. It was by order.
SK Java was present this morning.
Who is for the?
My lord, he's.
My lord, I'm sorry. I was in the meeting.
You have to take steps for response number 7.
All right.
You've not taken steps.
My lord, can this matter be again listed on 20th April? Because there's
My lord.
similar matter, my lord.
Correct, I was supposed to mention that, my lord. There is
But
another
take
connect.
Steps for 7. You have not taken. Heard. Sri H.K. Jammu, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard. Sri R.H. Nabam, learned AAG, and Sri M. Katur, learned deputy at GI. Para. Office note dated 33/2026 reflects that steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 have not yet been taken. Para. Sri Jammu, the learned counsel for the petitioners, undertakes to undertakes that steps should be taken. And submits that steps should be taken. No, undertakes to take the steps for service of notice within 2 days.
During the course of the day.
Within 2 days. You take it today, within 2 days. As requested, list on 20th.
20th April, my lord. There's a similar matter.
2026, along with
My lord, WPC number 576 oblique
576 of 2025,
my lord.
which is stated to be similar. Full stop. The office would also give a note with regard to the steps taken.
Well,
Highly obliged, my lord.
yes, sir.
Okay. এই কলম করে মারিব লাগিব খোলা আছে তো। Okay.